Do you ever feel like the world is moving too fast? Like there's a revolution happening right under your nose, and you're just not a part of it? You see the headlines about AI, about incredible new technology, and you wonder if it's just for the big corporations, for the tech giants, for the art. What if I told you that the greatest wealth transfer in our lifetime is happening right now, driven by AI, and you have a front row seat? This isn't about chasing the next fad. This is about understanding a profound, transformative shift in the world and positioning yourself to be a part of it. For every parent weighed down by debt, every young person feeling like they're a step behind, every hardworking professional, and every courageous entrepreneur, there's an opportunity to build a legacy, not just a paycheck. We're going to talk about the AI stocks that are still flying under the radar, the quiet powerhouses that are set to define our future. By the end of this video, you won't just understand AI, you'll understand how to own a piece of it, and how that can be your path to true financial freedom. Let's be honest. The financial world can feel like a high-stakes poker game you were never invited to. Everyone talks about the giants, the billion-dollar companies that are already household names, but the real wealth is often built in the shadows. And the companies that are doing the foundational work that will power those giants, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a technological renaissance. It's in the chips that power our devices, the software that optimizes everything from healthcare to logistics, and the foundational data that trains the next generation of algorithms. Think of it like this. When the gold rush happened, the people who got truly rich weren't just the miners. They were the ones selling the shovels and the pickaxes. Today, AI is the gold, and there are companies selling the digital shovels. These are the companies that are essential, no matter who wins the AI race. They are the infrastructure, the raw material, the unsung heroes of this new digital age. And here's the most important part for you, the individual investor. A lot of these companies are not yet household names. They are what we call blowing up and cheap because the market has unfully grasped their long-term potential. While the big names are priced for perfection, these companies have room to grow. For a parent looking to get out of debt, a young person trying to build their first serious investment portfolio, or a professional diversifying their wealth, this is where a small strategic investment can have an outsized impact over time. This isn't about gambling. It's about making a smart, informed bet on the future. So, how do you spot these opportunities? It's not about finding a secret tip. It's about shifting your perspective. Instead of asking, what AI company will be the next Google? Ask, what companies are building the picks and shovels for all the next Googles? The key is to look for companies that are leaders in specific, critical areas of the AI supply chain. For example, think about the companies that are pioneers in the next generation of specialized hardware needed for AI, or the software companies creating the essential platforms that developers need to build their AI applications, or even the companies that are quietly acquiring the massive data sets that are the lifeblood of any AI model. These companies are the foundational pieces of the AI puzzle. They are the engines of the revolution. As the great investor Peter Lynch once said, behind every stock is a company. Find out what it's doing. We're going to apply that wisdom to the AI space. We're going to look at the stories behind the tickers, because what you're buying isn't just a stock. You're buying a share of human ingenuity, a piece of a future that's being built right now. You are giving your hard-earned money a job, to work alongside the smartest people in the world, building the future while you focus on what matters most: your life, your family, your dreams. The biggest lie we tell ourselves is that we don't have enough to start. We think we need a massive war chest to participate. But the truth is, the most powerful thing you have is your time. Your ability to start today, with whatever you have, is a superpower that the ultra-wealthy can't buy. This isn't just about making money. It's about reclaiming your time. It's about building a future where you, Dan T, have to choose between a job you hate and the life you want. I want you to leave this video feeling not overwhelmed, but empowered. This AI revolution is not an exclusive club. It's an open invitation. You have the ability to go from a spectator to an owner. You have the power to plant a seed that can grow into a forest of financial security. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't let this be another video you just watch. Let this be the day you decide to take control. Research the foundational companies in the AI space. Look for the picks and shovels of this revolution, and decide today to plant that seed. The future version of you, the one who is financially free, is waiting for you to get started. Don't let them down. Your freedom is waiting. If you want to learn how to identify these opportunities with a deeper, more strategic approach, click here to watch my next video. A next video title: